In this video, let us see how to install Python. First, to install Python, open browser or Chrome and type Python and enter. There you see the official website of Python. Click on it. Then click on downloads. There you can see the latest version of Python. You can download it or either you can download the specific version of Python here. As of now, you can download the latest version of Python. Now the installation process starts. Wait until the installation process gets completed. Once the download process gets completed, click on it, open the file, and click Add Customize Installation and select both of these two. Next, click on Next and select Install Python 3.13 for all users. Then install. Select Yes. This will take some time to install in your PC or laptops. Now the Python library is successfully installed in your PC. Click close. Now to check whether the Python is installed or not, go to search bar and search CMD, select command prompt and type Python space hyphen hyphen version. Click enter. There you can see the current version of the Python which we have downloaded now.